Hello again and welcome. I have not dropped off the face of the earth, much to the disappointment, I'm sure, of my trolley friends. I thought I'd put a video up today just to let you know that due to 2 weeks holiday and various other events in real life, I've not been able to get into the workshop, let alone do a video. But things are settling down now, and hopefully normal service will resume over the next coming weeks. During my absence from YouTube, I received 3 stickers. One from a guy called Bruce Jordan of Jordan Woodworx, and Bruce hails from the USA. One from Louis Bandiera of Woodworking 227. Thanks for that, Louis. And last but by no means least, Scott Grant from who is the Blue Light Turner, and Scott hails from Horsham in the UK here. Now, 2 of the guys have got YouTube channels, but what I'll do, as I do normally, is put any relevant links to social media for these 3 guys down in the description below. So thanks for that. They'll be going up on the lathe or on the wall behind. Again, while I was away, I was approached by a company called Graph. Now, they apparently do angle grinder accessories. Now, initially I didn't have much interest in it, but my ears did prick up when it mentioned a woodworking specific blade. Now, I've got a 115mm angle grinder which I use for grinding metal, etc. But this blade apparently is the bee's knees regarding cutting through wood for those quick jobs you want to get done, and also I'd imagine you'd be able to do some basic embellishing of wood as well. So I thought, okay, we'll give it a go. So they're sending me a blade over the next week or 2, and if I get on with it and I feel it'll be of use to any of you, then what I'll do is put all the relevant links up and do a review on it. So that might be something that's coming up in the future. I intend to revisit the beginner's guides I was going to do months ago when I started off doing the one on the spindle roughing gouge, because obviously my beginner's guides were done quite a while ago. I've gained some experience and some knowledge, etc., over the last 3 or 4 years, obviously, and I'd like to put that into a beginner's guide revisited with some techniques that I've developed that might be of help to the newer turner. So that's on the cards, as well as the usual project videos as and how they occur. So I'd like to thank you all for sticking with me. Oh, one other thing which is very important, I've just hit the 80,000 subscriber mark, which I'm really pleased with. And my target of 100,000, which is going to come in the next year or 2, I would think, I'll be doing something special when that does actually occur. Thanks very much indeed for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Cheers now.